The City of Durham is using a water line project as an opportunity to restripe some streets in downtown Durham. You're going to see Duke Street, Gregson Street, and Chapel Hill Street start having better bike lanes and improved crosswalks. By piggybacking on the Waterline project, it is a low-cost way to get better biking and walking infrastructure in place with other projects. Unfortunately, it will make it feel like these bike lanes are really short and disconnected until the network can be built out around downtown Durham. We can use them as examples of how this type of treatment as a connected network across town could help us all replace car trips with biking or walking trips if there is safer infrastructure to do so. Take photos, take videos of you using this infrastructure. Make sure to tag NCDOT and the Department of Transportation for the City of Durham.